मम्मी कहती तो देवे नहीं करती हो।
So Good evening, guys. Guys, is it audible to everyone? It's fine. Welcome to Venkat Reddy Java classes, guys. Now let's start today's session, guys. Guys, how many types of tokens we have? How many types of tokens we have? Fine, good. How many types of literals we have? How many types of literals we have? What are those? Sai, can ping me 8 types of literals. Sai Kiran, ping me 8 types of literals. Someone video is on, stop the video. How many types of literals we have? 5 types is the correct answer. Sainath, you said 8 types, right? Now what are the 8 types we have? Where is Sainath answer? Sainath, where is your answer, Sainath? Okay. What is constant? What is constant? Yes, guys, what is constant? How to declare constraints in Java? How to declare constraints in Java? Ping me, guys, answer. How to declare constraints in Java? Redmi, wait. I'll give the answer. Just wait, Redmi. Redmi, what is your name? Here we have 2 Redmis are available. What is your name, Redmi? Guys, log in with your names, guys, so that it is easy to call. Otherwise, now I can call you Redmi, Oppo, Cello, Bolo, these type of names. Yes, how to declare constant in Java? Formally stop video. Observe, guys. We have 5 types of literals. Yes, the 5 types of literals what? Even observe, guys. We started a concept called tokens. Tokens are classified into 5 types: literals, constants, operators, keywords, identifiers. Keywords, identifiers. Literals are classified into 5 types: integer literal, floating character, string literal, and boolean literals. Integer literals are classified by using int. Floating literals are classified by using double. Character literals are classified by using char. String literals are classified by using string. And Boolean literals are classified by using a keyword called Boolean, right? So already we observed example. So constant means we have to use one keyword. The keyword is called what, guys? Final keyword. We have to use one keyword. The keyword is called as in what? Final keyword. And guys, what is operator? Final F is small letter Silesia. And Galaxy A10. Galaxy Fluto. Final F is small letter. Remember that point. Okay, what is operator? Oh, Oppo also there in our meeting. Very good. Galaxy is there, Oppo is there, Redmi is there. Fine. Oh, Vivo also there. Good. Plutos. Guys, I clearly mentioned log in with your name so that it is easy to call you. Don't log in with your mobile model numbers or other nicknames. Okay. Once again, I'm reminding you guys. Next class, if anyone join with your mobile model number, immediately I will remove you from the meeting, guys. Vijay, I'm not asking what are the operators. What is operator? I'm asking. Okay, what is the operator priority, guys? Ping me operator priority all at once. Operator priority all at once. Ping me operator priority all at once. Totally we have 3 points will come, all 3 at once. Operator priority. All 3 at once, guys. Don't send one by one. Priya, Soumya, Bhaskar Rao, don't send one by one. All 3 once. What is the operator priority? Send me all 3 at once. 3 levels are available. What are the 3 levels? So send me. Good. Guys, don't apply your what rule? Your BODMAS rule here. Okay. Here operator priority is different. BODMAS rule is different. Don't apply BODMAS rule into here. I don't know who said to you. I don't know. BODMAS rule is applicable here. So not BODMAS rule. Java has its own rule. Python has its own rule. Okay. Yes. Fine. Good. Now observe. So the first priority goes for brackets. Second priority go for multiplication, division, and modulus. And third priority for plus and minus. Third priority for what? Addition and subtraction, guys. Addition as well as subtraction is for third priority. And we observe how to evaluate the expressions. How to evaluate the expressions we observe. This is what we done in the previous sessions, guys. Of course, we have different types of operators. We are not discussing all the operators now. We are discussing only arithmetic operators. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. We're just discussing only these operators, not all the operators, guys. Fine. Remaining operators also I will discuss, guys, not now, later. Give me the time. Once some basics done, some programs done, then I will explain. Okay, because I promise you within 2 weeks, within 10 days, you are going to develop programs yourself, right? So that we have to start the programming. But initially, you have to learn some basics. Once you learn basic, all these basics we can apply into programming. All these basics we can apply into programming. Next, keywords, guys. Observe the next one is what? Keywords. Fine, good. Next one is what? Keywords, right? What is a keyword, sir? Keyword means, observe, keyword means what? Keywords are predefined words, guys. Keywords are the predefined words, means already available. Just remember, keywords are what? Predefined words are already available. We are going to use. Okay. So keywords are predefined words. Remember, guys, each and every keyword has special meaning, guys. Each and every keyword has a special meaning. In Java, totally we have 54 keywords, guys. Observe. In Java, we have 54 keywords. Each and every keyword has a special meaning, guys. Means for every word has performed some operation, guys. Each and every word performs some operation, guys. So keyword is what? Predefined word. Who provided? Java provided. Who will use? Programmer has to use it. Programmer has to use it. Java provided 54 keywords for some purpose. Purpose is also available. Java provided 54 keywords for some purpose. As a Java developer, what we have to do? We have to use those keywords. Sir, what are the 54 keywords? I may need to remember all the keywords. You no need to remember all the keywords, guys, but have a look it. Just have a look, that's it. I may need to mug up. You are not here to mug up the things, guys. You are here to learn the subject. Okay, what are the 54 keywords? The 54 keywords I'm dividing into different parts, guys. Package level keywords, package import, it is package level keywords. Class level keywords, class interface enum, these three are called as in class level keywords. Data types keywords, byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, void, all are small letter subject, guys. And new is one keyword. Memory allocation purpose new. Control flow statement wise, if, else, switch, case, default, while, do, for, break, continue, return, private, protected, public, static, final, abstract, native. Guys, I think is the visible, the screen is visible, right, everyone? These all are what, guys? Different types of keyword. But remember, all the keywords are in what? All the keywords in what? Small letters only, guys. Okay, static, final, abstract, native, transient, okay, volatile, synchronized, okay, strict FP, extends, implements, this, super, instance of, throw, strike, catch, finally, assert. So go to constant, underscore, true, false, true, false, null. Guys, actually this true and false are also called as what? Values, right? And null is also one type of value. If nothing is there, no value, that indicates that null, guys. Remember, if you want to inform that there is no value in that one, we have to use null. These all are the 54 literals we have, guys. These all are 54. Sorry, I need to remember all these 54. Not at all. No need to remember, no need to mug up. No need to mug up these 54 keywords, guys. What do we have to do? Slowly, whenever we are going to learn new Java, whenever we are going to learn Java, step by step, we are going to use. In coming classes, data type we are going to use. At the time, we are going to learn data type related keywords. In the further classes, we are going to use classes, then class related. In the further classes, package related. Control statement and control statement related. Like one by one, we are going to learn along with our subject. Don't mug up. You are not here to mug up. Okay. So totally how many, guys? Totally we have 54 keywords are available. Each and every keyword has a special meaning. Remember, each and every keyword has a special meaning. Whatever the purpose we have, now, guys, now is it audible? Yes, fine, good, fine, good. Now check, guys. So in the same way, identifier means what? So in order to develop programs, your job, what they are doing, yes, we have to decide some names, guys. We have to give some names. Those names are nothing but identifiers, guys. Also called as in what? Identifiers are nothing but user defined words. Identifiers are nothing but user defined words based on the requirement. So yes, we are declaring, we are using some names. Those names are called as an identifier names, guys. But remember here, what is the purpose, sir? Identifiers are the names which is used to identify which is used to identify variables, methods, classes, objects, packages, interfaces, and packages. Yes, whenever you are doing programming, whenever you are developing Java programming, yes, we have what? Variables, methods, classes, objects, interfaces, and packages. These all are available. These all are available in our programming, guys. Okay, these all are available in our programming, guys. So what are available, guys? So we have Sai Priya, are you following the classes or pinging the questions? Are you following the class or not? Guys, anyone is having any other question? At the end, I will give the time. At that time, only ping me. In middle, if you ping any other questions, I will remove from the meeting, guys. Session is going on. Without listening the session, you are pinging the questions. Immediately, I will remove from the meeting. First, follow the session. Once concept is completed, I'll give the time, ask the questions regarding the subject, then I will give the answer. After that, I'll give the time, then ping me any other questions out of the subject questions. Okay, this is the flow, guys. Don't disturb the flow. Okay, yeah, I think you are very good students, guys. You never disturb me and you never disturb yourself also. You are very good students. That Venkatesh star students means already you are a clever student, brilliant students. Fine, good. So identifiers are the names which is used to identify variables, methods, classes, objects, interfaces, and packages. To identify that, we are going to give some names, guys. For example, let us observe, guys. I'm writing on two classes. Guys, observe. I'm writing two classes here. One class is class. So here I'm writing some code. Here I'm writing some code. This is one class, guys. This is one class. In the same way, what I'm doing, in the same way I'm writing one more class. In the same way I'm writing one more class. This is my first class, class 1. This is my another class, class 2. Guys, in these two classes, one class will perform some class. Two classes are available, right? In these two classes, one class is performing what? Book item or book ticket. In this one class, which class I don't know, one class will perform book ticket and the class will perform cancel ticket operation, guys. Book ticket, cancel ticket operation. Guys, tell me which class is performing book ticket operation? By seeing these two classes, tell me which class is performing book ticket operation? Dattatreya, how you can say first class only? Why not second class? Is it possible to say? Here the information is sufficient to inform, to say which class is book ticket, which class is cancel ticket. So what I have to do? Sir, here which class? I can't identify which class is book the ticket, which class is the cancel ticket. That's what I'm going to do. I'm giving some names. Here I'm giving cancel ticket. Here I'm giving some name cancel ticket. Here I'm giving some name book ticket. Guys, observe now which class is booking ticket. the second one. Now it is easy. So this name is nothing but what? Identifier. This name is nothing but identifier. This name is nothing but identifier. Identifier given to whom, guys? Identifier given to whom? Identifier given to whom? Class, right? Guys, book ticket is given to, book ticket one name given to class. Book ticket is one name given to class. That's why this name is called as an, that's why this is called as what, guys? That's why this is called as an class name. This is called as what? Class name. Identifier only, identifier name only, so given to class, that's why it is called as a class name. The names given to here, the name given to class, that's why it is called as a class name. Identifier only, if the identifier given to method, method name. If the identifier given to class, class name. If the identifier given to object, object name. If the identifier given to interface, interface name. Identifier given to package, package name. Identifier given to variable, variable name. Identifier only for which purpose you are giving, based on that we decided that what type of that class, variable, class name, variable, class, method name, object name, interface, all those things. Here identifier, our target is what? This identifier. Sir, am I need to take book ticket like this only? B small letter, is it possible? Or T small letter, is it possible? In between book ticket I have mentioned underscore, is it okay or not? Why I have to take like this only? Am I able to take any other name? Yes, you can take any name, guys, no problem at all. Remember, yes, you can take any name, no problem at all. Everyone observe, guys, you can take any name, no problem at all. You can take any name, no problem at all. But we have to follow some rules. We have to follow some rules. You can take any names, no problem at all, but we have to follow some rules. What are the rules? In the sense, the first rule is, it doesn't accept spaces. Means no space in your names, guys. In your name, if you have a spacer, it is not accepted. In your name, if you have a spacer, then it is not accepted, guys. That is the first rule, remember. No space in your name. For example, same cancel ticket is available, right? I mentioned. For example, I mentioned as in, I write was my identifier name as in, guys, small letter, capital letter, your choice. Cancel ticket. Whether you use small or capital letter, doesn't matter. You can use anything, no problem. So I mentioned what is cancel ticket like this. Cancel ticket like this. Guys, now is it valid? You can take any name, that doesn't matter, but it is invalid. Why it is invalid, guys? The reason is what? Reason is space. Invalid because of the space. It doesn't accept any space. If you are giving spacer, doesn't accept. Capital, smaller, your choice. You can use anything, no problem at all. But no spaces. That is the first rule. Remember, first rule. The rule number 2. Rule number 2. What is the rule number 2? In the sense, it doesn't accept any special characters except underscore and dollar. Except underscore and dollar, you are not supposed to use any other special characters, guys. Except underscore and dollar, you are not supposed to mention any other symbols. Okay, means cancel adder. For example, I want to write cancel adder. Yes, you can write cancel. If I write plus or ticket, guys, observe this is invalid. If I mention cancel adder, this is sorry cancel ticket. This is invalid. Why? The reason is special character. What is the special character? Plus symbol is available, right? Not accepted, right? Plus. That's why not accepted. If you want, we can write, you can mention cancel underscore ticket. Accepted. Otherwise, cancel ticket dollar. Accepted. Otherwise, underscore cancel dollar ticket underscore. Accepted. No problem. In all the cases accepted, guys. Observe. Because underscore dollar, no problem. Underscore dollar in all these cases, in all the cases, no issues. Happily it is valid. Happily it is valid, no problem at all. Happily it is valid, no problem at all. Why? Because no special character except underscore and dollar. This is your second rule. This is what your second rule. Guys, is the second rule is clear for everyone? Is it the rule is clear? Good. So underscore dollar only accepted, except that if you have any other symbol, not accepted. Oh, fine, good. After the third rule is, the third rule is it doesn't accept observe, it doesn't accept any keyword as an identifier. Guys, observe, I want to give the keyword name as an identifier name. No, not at all. It never accepted keyword name as an identifier name. Keyword name as an identifier name. For example, I mentioned import. For example, I mentioned what, guys? Import. Now observe this, import is what? Import is a keyword, right? Starting we observe package import. Observe, import is what? Import is a keyword, right? This import has a special meaning, sir. So that is a predefined word. Java providing this name. Java already using this name. So you are unable to use this name because Java already using that name. Because of the reason you are unable to access it. The reason it is a keyword. The reason is what? It is a keyword. The reason it is keyword. Keywords are not accepted. Keywords are not accepted. That is the third rule, guys. Observe the fourth rule. Observe the fourth rule, guys. First character should be either underscore or either alphabet or underscore or dollar. Remember guys, so first character should be either one of these guys. It may be an alphabet or it may be an underscore, it may be an dollar. Except this means first character is number, not accepted. Except these two symbols, any other symbols are not accepted. For example, I mentioned what? Second class. Guys, observe here second class. Here, what is the first character, guys? Is it alphabet? Is it underscore? Is it dollar? What is the first character? Number. Means our rule is violated, right? As far as our rule is violated, right? Whenever our rule is violated, then it is not accepted. It violated our rule, so it is not accepted. The reason is what? First character is number, so it is invalid. First character is what is number, that's why it is invalid. Now I'm writing here, instead of this one, I mentioned what, guys? Class 2. Guys, now is it valid or invalid? Class 2, valid or invalid? Someone said invalid. Why invalid? Krishka Ras, why invalid? Krishka Ras, why it is invalid? Here, is it class or class 2? What is the name? Then class 2 is different from class, right? Is it both are same? Even one letter change, the name is changed, right? Even if you change one letter, the name, entire name is changed, right? So remember here, this is 100% valid name, no problem. Guys, remember class is keyword, but this is not a class, this is class 2. The name is class 2, so 100% valid. I'm writing one more, guys, one more example. Area to town. I write area to town. Is it valid or invalid? Area to town, valid or invalid? Yes. 100% it is what? 100% it is what? Valid. It is valid. And one more, guys, one more. I'm writing for. Valid or invalid? For. Once check your keywords. Once check the keywords. For. Pratiksha, any questions? Ping me. $24, $95, $70. Any questions? 74, 95, 75. Are you following? Observe clearly. For what I mentioned in our program, in our program, what is our name? For what is our name for? Valid or invalid? Check clearly for. Observe here, small for is a keyword. Here, capital F, right? All keywords are in lowercase, but it is what, guys? Capital letter, right? So 200 percentage, not 100 also. 200 percentage. It is what? 200 percentage. It is what? Valid. No problem at all. 200%. It is valid. No problem at all. Clear, guys? Fine. Good. For you guys, I'm going to give you one small task. Guys, these are the 4 rules, guys. You have to follow these 4 rules. What are the 4 rules? It doesn't accept any spaces. It doesn't accept any special characters except underscore and dollar. It doesn't accept any keyword as an identifier. First character should be either alphabet or underscore or dollar. These are the 4 rules which we have, guys. These are the 4 rules which we have. Fine. And for you, I will show you some names, guys. You have to identify whether it is a valid or invalid, guys. I'll show you some names. Your task is what? You have to identify whether it is a valid or invalid. That is your task, guys. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes time, guys. I will show you. Just once go with your what, guys? Your answers. I mean the rules, 4 rules. Just give me 2 minutes time, guys. Just give me 2 minutes time. I'll show you some examples. You have to give the answer whether it is a valid or I will show you some identifier names. I'll show you some identifier names. You have to identify whether it is a valid or invalid. Okay. Now, guys, everyone observe. Your task is started. Everyone check. Guys, don't ping me all one by one, guys. For everyone, just wait. Don't ping the answer. Don't hurry. I need answer. All answer. What are the invalid names here? What are the invalid names here? I need all answer at once. If you feel that, sir, 1, 5, 6 are invalid, sir, then I need answers for 1, 5, 6. If you feel that 1, 5, 6 are invalid, then I want what, guys? 1, 5, 6. I need all answer at once. Identify all invalid names. Invalid identifier. Don't hurry, guys. I need what? All invalid identifier names at once. all invalid identifier names at once. Okay. Remember, I need all invalid identifier names at once. Don't hurry, take the time. I'm giving 5 minutes time. Now time is 4:51. I will ask you at 4:55. For everyone, I'll ask. Just meanwhile, write in your book, everyone. Don't ping any answers. Guys, for everyone, don't ping any answers. I'll give the time to everyone. Meanwhile, everyone, note down in your books. Guys, everyone take running notes. Already I said take running notes. Guys, remember here the starting no spaces. But because of the flow only, because of here what? Adjustment only starting spaces comes. In generally starting there is no space, guys. Because space is invalid, right? That's why starting there is no space. Remember that point. Okay, starting no space. Only for adjustment wise maybe the space comes, except that there is no space at starting level. Okay, and this is what, guys, my names. Yes, 2 more minutes time, guys. Write in book. I'll ask what are the invalid names. All names, all numbers I want at once. Everyone write in your books. Everyone write in your books. So check the points once again. It doesn't accept spaces. It doesn't accept any special characters except underscore and dollar. It doesn't accept any keyword as an identifier. Don't ping answers. Don't ping answer. I will call you name wise, then ping the answers, guys. Meanwhile, everyone stop, write answers in your book. I'll call by name. Those who I call, only those people give the answers, guys. Because I have to check now whether you're following or whether you're sleeping, whether you are doing dancing or singing or something. What you are doing, I don't know, right? If I ask the name, those person has to respond. If you're not responded, immediately I will block you. Tomorrow onwards, you never able to attend my classes. I have to identify how many people are attending, how many of your people not attending, how many people are following my class. So give me time to me also to identify, okay? Don't ping the answers, guys. Okay, so first character should be either alphabet or underscore or dollar, right? And now this is the thing. Everyone check. Last 1 minute, guys, for everyone. Later I will call by name. Those who I call, only those candidate has to respond. Okay, if you are not responded, then immediately I will block you, guys. Tomorrow onwards you are unable to attend my meetings. Sai Kiran, did you understand English? I think ఇంగ్లీష్ రాకపోతే తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నాను, ఎవరు ఆన్సర్స్ చేయొద్దు. ఓకే, నేను నేమ్స్ పిలుస్తాను, వాళ్ళు మట్టుకే ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. Those who I call, only those people answer me. Remaining people write answer in your book. आपके पास बुक है ना, उसमें लिख दो आंसर्स, पूरा आंसर्स उसमें लिख दो. I think some Hindi people are there, they can't understand my Telugu. Don't worry, guys, don't worry. Guys, starting spaces छोड़ दो. Starting spaces छोड़ दो. Because here observe, starting some space comes, right? It's just adjustment wise space comes, nothing else. The starting space adjustment wise comes. Starting spaces छोड़ दो. Starting spaces छोड़ दो. In middle, in the word middle, any space are there, then count it. Okay. Now let's set time, guys. 24, 95, 75. Who's that the number? Is it phone number or else anything? Ping me your answer. Twenty-four 095 705 24 0 24 95 75. Who's that? 24 95 75. Sorry, not responded. So I am going to remove you from the meeting. Deepika, is it 24 95 75? 24 95, you are tomorrow onwards, you are unable to attend my meeting. Good. Yes, Afrin, what are the answer? Afrin, ping me the answers. Afrin, ping me the answer. Good. AK 47. Good name. Shortcut. Okay, anyhow, fine. At least better than others. AK, what is the answer? Good, fine. AK, what is your name? Full name? Okay, I can understand then. Then next one, who's that? Next one, Arti Kumari. Arti Kumari, what is the answer? Guys, if big names are there, shortcut and name, but name is good. Arti Kumari, what is the answer? Good. Pranavi, what is the answer? Pranavi, what is the answer? Okay, Pranavi, feel that 1 5. Okay. Ekta Sonam, what is the answer? Ekta Sonam, what is the answer? Guys, other people don't feel that. Sir, you are asking other people, you are not asking me. The reason is everyone has to participate. In interview time, everyone has to participate, right? Some people has having some issue, some problem, guys, they can't respond it. So at least if I call the names, those who people not responded, at least if I call them those names, they will respond it. Understand yourself also, guys. Okay, good. Ekta Sonam. G Nikita, what is the answer? Gopal Rao, G Nikita, both people ping the answer. Pujita, I am not asking any answer from your side. Why? Anxiety, control, please. Gopal Rao, what is the answer? Good, Nikita. Gopal Rao. Gopal Rao. First time Gopal Rao, second time Gopal Rao, third time Gopal Rao. Not responded. So you are going to remove from our meeting. Remove. Gopal Rao, you are going to remove from our meeting. Removed. Kirtana, what is the answer? Kirtana B. Kirtana B. Very good. At least if you don't know the answer, ping me. Sir, I know only one thing, right? That is fine. Without responding, no use, right? Saddam Hussein, I didn't ask the answer, but you're ping the answer. That's why you're removing from the meeting. Very good, Kirtana. Guys, at least if you don't know the answer, sir, whenever I'm calling, I'm explaining 1 hour session, I'm calling your name. Sir, at least respond. Yes, sir. I feel that 1 is invalid. Sir, I know only 1 is invalid. 2 is invalid. Sir, I didn't find that. Some answer, if you give, that is fine, good. Without thing, no use, right? Minusha. Minusha. What is the answer? Very good, fine, good. Who is NN? NN, what is the answer? NN. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, whenever I'm calling, first respond, then take 1/2 minute time, at least 30-second time. Only the numbers, NN, only the numbers. Don't ping me the complete things. Only the numbers is enough. Purna, ping your answers. Good, Purna. Vinay, what is your answer? Vinay, what is your answer? Okay, good, NN. Guys, whenever I call, first respond yes, sir. Okay, first respond. Because whenever I'm calling some name, first at least if you are pinging, it will take time. Then just mention, type on message, sir, yes, sir. Because I'm your trainer, right? Mention yes, sir. Then okay, I feel that okay, you're responding for my answer. So that I'll wait. Okay, fine, good. Now check your answer, guys. I'll just mention what are the invalid thing. So just identify what are the invalid. I just write, check your answers, guys. The first one is invalid. And then fifth one is invalid. And then sixth one is invalid. And then 10th one is invalid. And then 12th one is invalid. And then 19th one is invalid. That's it. 1, 5, 6, 10, 12, 19 are the invalid, guys. Except these, did you feel any other thing? You can ping, we'll discuss. Is it your answers correct or not? Check it now, everyone. Eighth one, else, right? Else, E capital letter, check it. Else, E capital letter, right? Check it. So E capital letter, it is invalid, right? Oh, 11 space occurred. Guys, actually here I am not giving any space. Okay, If you feel that space is there, okay, it is invalid, accepted. No space. Okay, fine, good. Yeah, 6 is invalid. True. True is what? It's a already it is a keyword. True is a keyword. Check. True is what? True is a keyword. Observe here. TRUE. True is a keyword, right? Else is a keyword, but else, small else or capital else? Deepika? Small else is keyword or capital E is keyword? But here capital E, right? Both are not same. Got it, Deepika? Yes, ninth one, hyphen symbol. Pooja, in ninth one we are using hyphen symbol, right? Hyphens are not accepted. That is not underscore, that is hyphen. Got it, Pooja? Sai Silpa, you are attending my Python batch. Silpa, you are attending my Python batch. In Python batch, true and false is capital letter, T is capital letter, and F is capital letter. The Python concept don't bring into Java class. Any other questions, guys? Is it clear, all your doubts? 10th one, na? 10th one is what? What is the 10th one? Dot symbol. Who's that asking? 10th one? Dot is a special character, right? Tenth one is invalid because number of seats. Dot symbol is available. That's why it is invalid. You can mention number underscore of underscore seats. Okay, dot is invalid. What problem? Salary. It doesn't violated anything rule, right, Sailaja? Mono spaces are not allowed. Already, that's why Manoj, you are not missing. These spaces before spaces are what? So arrangement wise comes before spaces. I clearly mentioned that point, right? Now happy? Because of tab adjustments, the starting space occurred. I clearly said that point. I think you're sleeping at the time. Okay, starting no space. Yeah, okay, Manoj. Redmi, you only tell me why fifth one is invalid, Redmi. Why fifth one is invalid, Redmi? You are listening class, right? And now tell me why fifth one is invalid. What is our fourth rule in identifier, Redmi? What is our fourth rule, Redmi? Guys, I'm not saying anything. I'm just clearing the doubts. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Guys, that's it for today, guys. I'm going to wind up the session. That's it for today. Okay. I think all your doubts are clear, right? So we'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow at same time, 4 o'clock, guys. Tomorrow at 4 o'clock, guys. If anyone is having the still doubts, you can stay and you can ping me. Otherwise, you can leave today, guys. If anyone is having any doubt, you can stay. Other people, you can leave today, guys. Tomorrow we'll see Krishna Raj. Why Hari? I will discuss in tomorrow. Just a minute. What is the mistake in third one? Let me not possible. My next batch you can attend. Here subject and one there is no space. Okay, subject and one there is no space. Shravya, no space in subject one and one. Okay. Let me whenever my next batch is started, I'll inform. You're not missing. You're just missing only the starting concept. If you are guys, those who attended this is the first class, you just missed only today's session. I mean yesterday's session. Literals, constant, operators. Only these 3 points you missed. That too, I explained these 3 points, then started keywords and identifiers, right? So you didn't miss anything. Don't worry. Yeah, that's only Gautami. I said na only those 3 points you missed. In today's starting also I repeated those things, right? You don't worry. That is not a big problem. Yes. Any questions, guys? Yeah, thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow at 4 o'clock, guys. Thank you, guys.